They put a humorous spin on any subject they take on in their own inimitable way. Talent shows, today's news, Bollywood blockbusters, nothing escapes their gaze. They're the Viral Fever, a 20-member team that calls themselves India's top online youth entertainment network. In just 3 years, they've over 24 million YouTube views, and they've even bigger plans to create content for youths across the globe. Please welcome to the YouTube Fan Festival stage, the Viral Fever.
On, hello, check.
Sorry, I'm a big fan, sir.
Thanks. You're on, na? On, na?
Okay, he's saying that the first guy needs to start only, then he'll go on.
अपने आइडल को अरे
Go on.
टेंशन वहाँ पे है चलना
Get him on. He's refusing to go. You need to go on stage, bro.
he will call me scripted.
Are you guys having fun? Once again, please. Once again. This is my show. Please. This is not your parliament. Please. Focus. Hello. No problem, sir. It's okay. Can we start the show? Hello. It's okay. Please, do not try to outshout me, please. Welcome to Barely Speaking with Arnab Goswami. And tonight, I have a muffler, film leader. Somebody who claimed to revolutionize the film industry with his new production house, BAM. But 49 days after the release of his first film, he resigned. And now, he wants to go global with YouTube. He has started his own YouTube channel called the Aam Aadmi Honesty Appa. So let's give it up for Mr. Arjun Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal, I know you are prepared for my first question, so I'll not ask you that question. My first question is, why do you wear a muffler in summers?
अर्नब जी, हम कौन हैं? हम इस देश की थकी हारी, दबी कुचली आम जनता हैं। ये लोग 60 साल से कहते आ रहे हैं कि आम आदमी अनुकूल है। हम इनको बताना चाहते हैं कि हम कितने कूल हैं। इतने कूल हैं कि ठंड के मारे मफलर पहनना पड़ता है। हम इनको बताना चाहते हैं हम इतने कूल हैं कि ठंड के मारे हमें वायरल फीवर हो गया है।
No, Mr. Kejriwal, please, one second. You cannot forcibly try and integrate your brand into everything. Please. Mr. Kejriwal, please stop coughing, please. Mr. Kejriwal, if you have cough, why don't you get a cough syrup?
गया था जी मैं मेडिकल की दुकान पे कफ सिरप खरीदने के लिए। पूरी मीडिया सर पे चढ़ गई, कहती है कहां से आए 50 रुपए कफ सिरप खरीदने के लिए। पूरी की पूरी मीडिया सर पे चढ़ गई, कहने लगी कहां से आए 50 रुपए कफ सिरप खरीदने के लिए। तब से शहद और अदरक चाट रहे हैं, टाइम तो लगेगा ना। और यही तो लड़ाई है, इसी के लिए तो लड़ रहे हैं, कफ सिरप के लिए तो लड़ रहे हैं हम लोग। यही क्रांति लाएगा, हम क्रांति लाना चाहते हैं। हर आम आदमी के पास कफ सिरप होगा, 50 रुपए होंगे।
One second, Mr. Kejriwal, please. You know मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा तपले, you know that. But still you keep talking in Hindi. At least talk in Bengali or Assamese. I'll move to my first question. Mr. Kejriwal, the people of this country liked you. But now, they are saying you could not provide good filmmaking in your target audience. Are you a bad filmmaker, Mr. Kejriwal?
एक मिनट, मैं अपनी बात पूरी कर लूं।
I did not speak.
मैं बोलूं?
Please.
अर्नब जी, ये लोग कहते हैं कि हम ड्रामेबाज हैं। कहां से आती हैं कहानियां? ड्रामे से तो कहानियां आती हैं, और अच्छी कहानियों से ही तो फिल्में बनती हैं। हम लोग कहानी पे फोकस करते हैं। हम लोग स्टार्स लेके फिल्में नहीं बनाते हैं, हम लोग स्टार्स लेके वीडियो नहीं बनाते 4 जोक डालकर।
Mr. Kejriwal, I have this tweet from the opposition who talked about your bad filmmaking. I'll read this tweet.
I know, ये किसने ट्वीट किया मुझे पता है, किसने किया बताइए आप।
I cannot name my sources, I'm sorry. I cannot name my sources.
नहीं, मुझे पता है ये उदय बाबा @उदय बाबा ने किया है।
No.
हम जानते नहीं है क्या? सारे ट्वीट्स पढ़े मैंने।
No, wait, I'll clarify that.
Yeah.
I have this tweet, and I quote, @IMSRK. These muffler-wearing, ruckus-creating rowdies could not even last for 50 days after the release of their film. How can they dream of going global with YouTube? #Aam Aadmi sucks.
एक मिनट, ये तो सरेआम चोरी है। ये इतना बड़ा ट्वीट कैसे हो गया? 140 कैरेक्टर सिर्फ अलाउड है ट्विटर पे, तो ये तो सरेआम चोरी है। इसकी जांच कौन करेगा इसकी जांच? यही तो स्कैम है। आप सरेआम झूठ बोल रहे हैं अर्नब जी, आप भी मिली भगत है आपकी भी पीछे, हम जानते नहीं है क्या?
What did you say, Mr. Kejriwal? No, what did you say? Please, repeat yourself, please. You can't. Mr. Kejriwal, just because I don't understand Hindi, don't think you can say anything. Please don't make personal attacks on my show. A thin middle-class man like you with no fashion sense and a muffler should refrain from making personal attacks. I am asking you a simple question. Are you becoming greedy by aiming for the global arena with YouTube? What do you want, Mr. Kejriwal? Do you want to do a Gangnam Style?
एक मिनट, नो अर्नब जी, वी ओनली वांट आम आदमी स्टाइल। अर्नब जी, हम लोग ग्रीडी नहीं है, अपनी नौकरियां छोड़ छोड़ के आए हम लोग, ग्रीडी नहीं है हम लोग, पैसे का लालच नहीं है। आजकल आप YouTube खोल के देख लीजिए क्या दिखा रहे हैं ये लोग। फिल्मों के टीजर आते हैं 10-10 सेकंड के, क्या होता है उसमें? स्टार चल के आता है स्लो मोशन में, पीछे गाड़ी उड़ा देते हैं। क्या ये देखने के लिए हमारी ऑडियंस टीवी छोड़ के आई है YouTube पे? बताइए, यही तो स्कैम है। इसकी तो हम जांच करेंगे, इसके लिए तो लड़ रहे हैं, हाँ? इसके लिए तो अनशन किया था हम लोगों ने। मैं बताता हूँ अर्नब जी, हमारे एक डायरेक्टर है अमित गोलानी जी, धूप में खड़े रहते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी करते हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद एडिट भी करते हैं वो। हम लोग स्टार्स नहीं है, हमारे पास वैनिटी वैन्स नहीं है, वैगनआर है नीले कलर की, जाके देख लो। सेकंड हैंड खरीदी थी, पूछ लो किसी से।
Mr. Kejriwal, what a lot of parties are claiming that the blue color scheme of your WagonR is copied from Sanjay Leela Bhansali Savaria. Mr. Kejriwal, you are not original. You are a spoof like me.
नो 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 अर्नब जी, आई एम नॉट अ स्पूफ। हम ये स्पूफ नहीं है, ये क्यूटियापा है, स्पूफ नहीं है ये। स्पूफ में कोई दिमाग नहीं लगता, क्यूटियापा बनाने में बहुत दिमाग लगता है, मेहनत करते हैं हम लोग। क्यूटियापा है, स्पूफ नहीं
Mr.
है।
Kejriwal, once again, you are trying to forcibly integrate your band. This is not done. This is cheating. I don't want to do this interview. Let's play kabaddi. Come on, here now. Let's play kabaddi. You and me, one on one. I dare you. I double dare you. I triple dare you. Come on.
अर्नब जी, don't touch me. I am judo black belt. You don't know me.
Even I am Ludo black belt. I am Ludo black. Let's play Ice Spice. You want to do WWE?
Arnab ji, don't be immature on your show.
I am Ken, your Undertaker. Let's go right here.
No. You cannot be Kane. You don't have tattoo. Don't.
No, I have tattoo.
No.
I have big bubble. I have 3 tattoos. See butterfly.
No. I don't want to see.
I have a butterfly.
This is family audience. I don't want to see.
I'll show you.
No. I'm not going.
I'll show you. Mr. Kejriwal, please. Mr. Kejriwal.
Give it up for Bisso and Jeetu of TVF. Going for another member of TVF, Vipul Goyal.
It was a line.
Seriously, you guys really know me?
This is my.
Thank you. So my name is Vipul Goyal, and before I begin about my material, I only like to talk about things that I personally experienced in my life, and that's the reason why I never do sex jokes. I mean, you guys can laugh, but my mom is so proud of me, And any people on Facebook, I have a question for all the girls on Facebook. Have you seen girls, the amount of photos they upload on Facebook? Like, even if a girl goes to a coffee shop, she will upload 50 photographs of it, Me drinking coffee. Me putting sugar in coffee. Me asking boyfriend to pay for coffee. And then there will be some 50 random photos of coffee cups and tissue papers. And even below those photos, some idiot guy will come and comment, "Wow, Pooja, this is not just a pic. This is epic." So, I was in this hospital recently. And I wanted to pee very badly, So I go into the bathroom and the receptionist, she tells me, "Sir, that's a doctor's bathroom. You cannot use it." And I was like, "Great. So where's the visitor's bathroom?" And she was like, "Sir, we don't have a visitor's bathroom." And I was like, "Wow, yeah." But then, I wanted to pee very badly and I did not know where to go. So I just took a urine test for 500 rupees. So that's happened to you guys also. But have you ever gone to a newlywed's house? People who recently get married, newlyweds. Have you seen? They're so excited to show you their wedding albums. Especially the girl. And she will always give a lovey-dovey introduction about each character in that album. She's like, come. Yeah, see, this is my mother-in-law. She's just like my mother. What a lovely lady. 2 years later when reality dawns upon them, then the description gets a little more interesting, right? Yeah, hi, this is my mother-in-law. Yeah, she's a bitch. Yeah, this is my husband, his son of a bitch. And have you guys seen when you get married, you invite your friends who are at the wedding, and your friends, they are only interested in your honeymoon details. That's it. They will always ask you how many days you're going for honeymoon, and then they will pass their judgment according to that, They'll be like, अबे कितने दिन के लिए जा रहा है हनीमून पे? क्या सिर्फ 2 दिन? अबे 2 दिन में क्या करोगे? कम नहीं पड़ जाएंगे मतलब? अच्छा, आपका तो लव मैरिज है। सही है। नहीं, इनका तो पहले हो गया है सब कुछ। इस बार वाकई में शिमला घूमेंगे। I like to talk a bit about relationships. Have you seen like when you're into a relationship, you know, your girlfriend, she'll be so nice to you, right? Like she'll hug you, kiss you, unless you have an argument with them. Like as soon as you have an argument with your girlfriend, then they just treat you as if they don't even know you, you know. Like you'll be like, "Arey Sonia, I'm really sorry, galti. People don't touch me, yaar. Don't touch me, okay?" And as a guy, you really get confused, right? You are like, "Abey yaar, don't touch me, matlab kya hai yaar?" I mean, last night so she was saying that, "Vipul, this time to you touched my soul." Okay, did you guys watch the IPL auctions? IPL auctions, yes? See, IPL auctions is the time when you realize Nita Ambani has so much money, you know. I mean, Nita Ambani, she's so rich. She bought Zahir Khan with her Shopper Stop points, you know. And have you seen like guys on Facebook, you know, guys, their only job in Facebook is to go and check out the photo album of every other girl on Facebook. And the moment a girl uploads a photo, they'll download it on their desktop, you know. And then they will tell you all these fake stories, you know, like my friend is like, I'm like, dude, who's she? Yeah, she's really hot. Who's she? Arey, she's my ex-girlfriend, yaar. Pata leta hu main. The day after that, this time again, she's my ex-girlfriend. The day after that, this time, photo of a French girl. Again, she's my ex-girlfriend. I was like, dude, how many ex-girlfriends do you have? Around 6 GB. But I will just wind up with this little thought, you know, if you see all the ads on TV, you know, the bottom line of every ad on TV is that in all the ads, the characters are dealing with some problem or another, you know. Like women are always dealing with skin problems, you know. And men are dealing with acidity problems, you know. The aadmi ko gas ho rahi hai udhar. See, men are shown so dirty, right? And women are shown so pure. You know? Like women are selling aqua guards. What are you men selling? Ring guards. And have you guys seen the way advertising people pamper women? Like they sell every product to a woman with so much love, you know. They're like, आपकी नाजुक कोमल त्वचा के लिए, आहा, क्या आज आपने बालों की चंपी करी? क्या आप आसमान छूने को तैयार हैं? But to us men, they will ask such uncomfortable questions, right? क्या आपके दांतों में सड़न है? क्या आपकी सांसों में बदबू है? सर, क्या आप बेडरूम में किसी तरह की कमजोरी महसूस करते हैं? But that's all on my side. You guys are awesome. Thank you.
Can I have the whole team of Wild Fever on stage, please? Come on, round of applause for the Wild Fever. There's Prashant, that's Bisso, we have Nidhi and Jeetu and Vipul.
बैठे रहिए
सर, सबसे पहले सर ये
there's a Q&A, they'll do about 4 questions. So
एक चीज कर लेते सर.
So you have about 3-4 minutes, depending on how it goes. You can hang here, whatever.
Can someone tell Ashish his mic is on? सबसे पहले एक काम करते सर, सबसे पहले यहाँ पे लाइव कैमरा है, ये पूरे देश में ब्रॉडकास्ट हो रही है सर. जनता को लगता है कि हम एक दूसरे को लड़ाई करते हैं, तो एक गले लगा ले सर एक बार सर.
Okay, sir. Okay.
चलो सर.
Okay.
Sir, I want to talk about something very important. All right, this for me is one of the moments where I remember texting Arunabh about this. There's a story that Arunabh has spoken about several times. कि जब क्यूटियापा शुरू हुआ था, तो वो ओरिजिनली वेब पे नहीं होने वाला था. वो एक टीवी चैनल पे होने वाला था, जिसके बारे में हम बात नहीं करेंगे, जिसपे म्यूजिक अक्सर बजा करता था. लेकिन अब नहीं बजता है. लेकिन आज कुछ दिनों पहले टीवीएफ के यूट्यूब चैनल ने इस टेलीविजन चैनल के यूट्यूब सब्सक्राइबर को पार कर दिया. आई थिंक दिस इज अ ह्यूज डील. How was that moment for you guys in the office?
Actually, it was 31st December 2013. रात को कुछ पार्टी करके हम लोग सोए और सुबह अचानक रियलाइज किया कि ऐसा हो गया. So it was a good beginning to the year. 2013
पार्टी
अच्छा
पहले प्लान कर दी थी सर कि 2-3 फॉलोअर बचे अभी शुरू कर देते हैं
नहीं नहीं पार्टी तो हमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया था
Calculate
कि
कर लिया
हाँ,
था।
लगभग इस टाइम पे
अच्छा है सर वेंडेटा लेगा तो भी उसके अंदर भी मतलब यू गॉट टू हैव फुल प्लानिंग दैट्स वेरी नाइस
But speaking of that, right, like they tried to do this on a TV channel, so that brings me to the obvious question, which is how tough is it to do satire in a country like India, especially because we love getting offended by everything under the sun. That is our national pastime to get offended, right?
Come on. अभी 4 लोग सोच रहे how dare he say I get offended
Very
I'm
like, what is
offended
this, yeah? Like,
how difficult is it
how
Prashant
difficult is it?
So there's a complicated code. So if we were half as funny as we think we are, we would be twice as funny as we were.
ओहो भाई इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज हो जाए भाई इसके लिए क्या बात है
And
तभी IIT से इतने ऑथर निकलते हैं बढ़िया बढ़िया nice.
आप कुछ कह रहे थे सर
हाँ तो as Arunab says, India, our country is a very funny country without a sense of humor. So I'm sure it is tougher for you guys because we still stick to.
हमारे तो नाम में ऑफेंस है सर अब क्या करें सर
Yes.
So I guess that helps you in a way as well. Like you always find out a smarter way of doing it, which is funny at the same time, and you don't get to offend a lot of people, but you say what you want to say. So
That's
that
nice,
works
sir.
as well.
Fair enough. Now we're talking about saying what you want to. अक्सर comment section में लोग बहुत अजीब चीजें बोलते हैं. What is the weirdest comment that you guys have received on your channel?
Like there's this one comment which 2 comments will definitely be featured. One is ki best video by TVF ever. Like best video on YouTube worldwide. This is the best video. And the second video is this sucks. TVF standard is going down and things like that. The other one is
And there's one guy who's very consistent. ये कोई बाबा जी हैं जो हर वीडियो में कि अगर आपको हाँ अगर मांगलिक हैं इसकी प्रॉब्लम है उसकी प्रॉब्लम है कुंडली ठीक करानी है दैट एस्ट्रोलॉजर इज ऑलवेज देयर सो ही इज ऑलवेज देयर इन एवरी वीडियो
that's how we actually get to know the video is going viral. The moment you get astrologer comments, you get to know कि अच्छा इन्होंने predict कर दिया है.
All right. So the final cliched question: what are your plans for the future? Miss India question.
वो एक चैनल था ना जो म्यूजिक बजाता था
हाँ
और ये तो उससे बड़ा होना है बस रियल टाइम
Yes, round of applause for TVF. I hope you're very successful in India.
हाँ
बोलिए हाँ बोलिए
नहीं शर्मा मत यार.
सो वी हैव आवर TVF स्टार्स एज वेल. अच्छा सबसे बड़ा सवाल इनका ये आता है कि आपके वीडियोस में फीमेल्स क्यों नहीं होती हैं. सो वी स्पेशली हैव आवर फीमेल एक्टर्स हियर एंड वन TVF स्टार निधि बिस्ट कॉलर नैना इज हियर. वी हैव निधि सिंह is she here? Nidhi Singh.
Nidhi is too busy
Nidhi
taking
Singh.
pictures of people on stage.
Pooja from New Delhi. Then we have Ek Thi Behan Akanksha.
Oh, you guys remember her from Ek Thi Behan, right?
And we also have Ranvijay in the audience.
सब उधर ही देख रहे हैं सर अभी.
All right, and you also have a collab video that you shot as part of the YouTube Fan Fest week.
Tell us about it.
Tell us about that.
So yes, so everybody was supposed to do a collab video. We obviously, like we are, आग लगने पे कुआं खोदते हैं. So in the last moment, we decided to write a script. Vipul thankfully was, so he was free, and he wrote the script for free as well.
अच्छा सर एक्सपेक्टेशन सेट करना चाहिए वीडियो से पहले सर.
So the script was written in less than a day, and the video was shot in roughly 3 hours. And it shows.
No, I'm sure it is best TVF video ever in life. You guys want to watch this? Yes.
Yes.
Let's have the video. Round of applause for the viral fever.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Careful.
यार तू पागल है यार. मैं कहाँ पे लेके आ गया यार फिर से. ठीक है ना यार अभी आ गए ना. वी डोंट नो ना अगर डिजीज हुई तो क्या कर लेंगे.
Dude, it's a food preference. I like meat. It's not a disease.
ठीक है ठीक, अभी दरवाजे तक आ गए, एक बार अंदर चल लेते। आई विल बाई यू।
चल ठीक है चल तू जा कर।
आ जा तू भी।
हाँ हाँ
What? The Bangladeshis are hating Gunde? What's wrong with them? I love that film. Huh? I don't. Okay. I'll call you back. Okay. Hi, welcome. Welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Tangri kebab? With garlic sauce?
Seriously, this is offensive. मैं जा रहा हूँ।
Mata Rambe, we have heard that you can cure people who eat non-veg.
Yes, I can. But first, son, tell me, when did you realize you were into non-veg?
Actually, I had this inclination since I was a child, but I used to hide it from my parents. They are pure vegetarians. Even in my school, my friends used to have posters of Pamela Anderson, Megan Fox, but I always had a poster of this guy. You know, I always felt like a non-vegetarian, trapped in this body of a vegetarian. And then I went to America for an internship. There I was all alone, vulnerable. One of my colleagues took me to a party in a pub. It was dark. Music was so loud. Drinks were flowing. I had one drink, then another. And one thing led to another, and the next morning I woke up with a sausage in my mouth.
With garlic sauce? Holy fish. And what about you, son? Were you also confused since childhood?
Me? Oh, no, not at all, you know. To me, it happened by accident. You know, I was in Bangkok for a vacation, or as married men call it, work visit, right? To get that work visit thing, yeah. So anyways, I was there and, you know, I was in my hotel room, and so I ordered a veg samosa. But then as it happens in Bangkok, accidentally they sent a chicken samosa in my room. But then by the time I found it, I was already halfway into it, and it was the best meat I ever had. Oh, Bangkok.